Hi, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'm so excited to share with you this one-bedroom apartment at UE Square Residences right here at River Valley Road in District 9. Come check it out with me. This one-bedder is a corner unit and has a super spacious size of 850 square feet. As you can see here, the layout is very squarish and the apartment does not have many built-in fixtures, thus allowing you to have the freedom to design your own perfect dream home. The floor size is really great and you can have a comfortable dining and living area. Over here at this dining area, you can comfortably place a 6 to 8 seater dining table where you can host a nice cozy gathering or dinner with friends and family. The living room also offers you a good space to chill and find respite after a hard day's work. The kitchen is of a good size and is functional with a good amount of storage spaces. And look, there's even a service counter. There's even a service yard where the washer and dryer are neatly tucked away. You'll love the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very spacious that can fit not just one, but 2 king-size beds. And if you're working from home, you can easily set up a very comfortable home office here. The bathroom is renovated with quality fittings and comes with a bathtub where you can soak yourself and rejuvenate. This apartment has a quiet facing and does not have afternoon sun. Look, you can even check out the taxi queue from your apartment. Because the windows are full height, it's always bright and cheery, allowing maximum light into the apartment. UE Square Residences is a 999-year leasehold development. It has all the modern conveniences and amenities. Shopping and dining is just so convenient, even on rainy days. Just a 3-minute walk from Fort Canning MRT, it is so convenient in terms of eateries and dining options as well. You are simply spoilt for choice. There are many prestigious schools around the vicinity, such as River Valley Primary School, St. Margaret's Primary School, and Anglo-Chinese Primary School. This is a great apartment that you must view to appreciate. If you are looking for a spacious one-bedroom apartment in a central location, be it for investment or for your own stay, do call me and I'll be more than happy to assist you.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.